Okay guys, so this is the first start ever. It's my first start. That's first time starting the E30. Been looking forward to this. So here goes nothing. Hey guys, hope you're doing great. And first things first, I do apologize for not keeping you guys up to date with the journey of the E30 build. It's been really hectic for me and a lot has been happening that I haven't expected, so such is life. Nonetheless, I'm really happy to announce to you guys that the E30 is almost done. I'm actually on my way there to go see how far the progress is. This week we just had to put together the last finishing touches, because last week, actually 2 weeks ago, I think we finished respraying and all. So nonetheless, when it gets back home, I'm still going to give it a nice good old detail there with my good old Roops polisher. I haven't used that in forever, so really looking forward to that. But yeah guys, really thank you very much for coming with me on this E30 journey. I know that a lot of you guys, it's also something that you guys would like to do at some point in your life. And if I'm to tell you anything, is that go for it, and not just the build. Anything that you want in this life, go for it, and go for it hard. It's all possible, it's all doable. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. In my life, there's a lot of things that I've been told that I wouldn't be able to do, and this can't be done and that can't be done, and over I keep on proving them wrong. And not that my point is to prove anybody wrong, but for myself, just to push yourself that you can do anything that you put your mind to it. With that said, let's go see how far the project is. And yeah. Okay guys, so this is the first start ever. It's my first start. That's first time starting the E30. Been looking forward to this. So here goes nothing. Guys, is pure happiness, joy, a dream come true. Honestly, I know, we want the fancy cars, the big cars. All I wanted was my 325, and we built it. Thanks Ritesh. Really, really happy, and couldn't have asked for anything else. Hey. Ritesh.
If you have been with me from the beginning of my journey of building this car, then you will know that it arrived here on a tow truck with no engine, no front. Heck, literally even the parts that were there had to be replaced because either they were old and rusted or not the right ones for the car. This is one journey that I will always cherish. My first car build, the late nights, the laughs, and most of all, the friendships created.
Okay guys, so that's Rike over there, and that's his 535.
This build was not easy on my pockets, and it is by no means yet complete. But if I had the opportunity to do it again, then I would do it with no hesitation. That is why another build will be coming to the channel. Let's just say, if you're interested in my next build, then subscribe to the channel and you will soon find out. With that said, thanks to Ritesh for making my dream possible. I couldn't have asked for anyone better to take this journey with. Follow me on my Instagram page at fyavlogs. as I continue to share more of the E30